Good morning. Today we will be discussing the worksheet that I have posted earlier. Some of you have asked me regarding the first problem. First problem is just similar to the third problem. So I will be explaining you the third problem. And the person who has asked me the doubt on first problem, you can apply the same logic on the first one as well. Okay. So apart from the numericals, there is no other change with respect to the first one and the third one. So I am going with the third one. On the same lines, you can also do the first one. So this is the third question. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus of minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. So as we have discussed earlier, first do the multiplication, then addition and subtraction. That is what we are going to follow. So this is 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3. Now this is plus into minus, different signs. You will always arrive at a negative sign. So single case, plus into minus is minus 2 by 3. Now take the LCM of 5, 3, 5, 3. LCM of 5, 3 is 15. And 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. That is, you have to think of what number should be multiplied to the denominator so as to arrive at the LCM number. So LCM number is 15. Think of what should be multiplied to 5 to get 15. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Now similar logic applies for the remaining 3 terms as well. So 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35. Minus 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6. 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. So this is the case. Now whenever you have same signs, you will add, different signs you will subtract. Now these two numbers are of same signs, you will add them. 9 plus 35 gives you 44. Again these are of same signs, add them, so you will get 16. And biggest number is 10, sign is minus. So this is the case. So 44 minus 16. So subtract that. 44 minus 16, 14 minus 6 is 8, and it is 3 over here. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 28 by 15. So that is the way to go about it. So this is the final answer, that is 28 by 15. So the next one is the fifth one. This is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 6. 6 you can write it as 6 by 1 for the ease of doing the problem. So as we have discussed earlier, first we remove the brackets, then we apply the operations. So in order to remove this bracket, we multiply the numerators with numerators, denominators with denominators. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1 into 6, or in fact we can simplify this. This 2 1s, 2 3s. That is, wherever simplification is possible, do that simplification, and the problem will be much more easier to solve. So 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 1 is 1. Now take the LCM of 8 and 1, just like the way we have done the previous problem. The LCM of 1 and 8 is 8 itself. Already you have the LCM number, so you write the numerator as it is. Plus 1 8s are 8, 3 8s are 24. So 1 plus 24 is 25. So 25 by 8. So that is it with regards to the fifth problem. Now moving on to the seventh one. Minus 9 by 4 into 5 by 3 plus 13 by 2 into 5 by 6. Now, here cancellation is possible. You can do it 3 1s, 3 3s. No further cancellation can be done. Here no cancellation can be done. So multiply 3 5s, 15. Minus into plus is minus. That is, you are multiplying numbers of different signs, so you will get a negative number. 4 1s are 4. Next, plus 13 5s are 65. 6 2s are 12. Now take the LCM of 4 and 12. LCM of 4 and 12 is 12 itself. Yeah. 4 3s are 12, 15 3s are 45. And 12 is already here, you can write the numerator as it is. So this is different signs, you have to subtract. 65 minus 45 is 20. So 20 by 12. So this is 4 3s are 4 5s. So finally it is 5 by 3. Once again I'll repeat it. So 3 1s are 3 3s are, so 3 5s are 15, minus into plus is minus, 4 1s are 4. 13 5s are 65, 2 6s are 12. LCM of 4 and 12 is 12 itself. 4 3s are 12, 15 3s are 45. That is what I have written. Different signs you have to subtract 65 and 45. The numerical is 20. Biggest number is 65. Sign is plus, so I have put plus sign here. So 20 by 12 both goes in 4 table. 4 3s are 4 5s are. So that is the case 5 by 3. So that is it with regards to the 7th one. Now let's move on to the 8th problem. Eighth one, 3 by 2 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 3 into 7 by 2 minus 13 by 8 into 4 by 3. Again, wherever simplifications are possible, let's do that. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Here no cancellations are possible. Here 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Now multiply. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 5 7s are 35. 3 2s are 6 minus 13 into 1 is 13. 2 3s are 6. Now take the LCM of 4, 6 and 6. The LCM of 4, 6 and 6 is 12. 4 3s are 12. 1 3s are 3. Next 6 2s are 12. 35 2s are 70. 6 2s are 12. 13 2s are 26. Now these are numbers of same signs, so add them. 70 plus 3 is 73 minus 26 by 12. Now subtract this. 73 minus 26, 13, and this is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 13 minus 6 is 7. So this is 47. So 47 by 12. So that is the case with regards to the 8th problem. Now let's move on to the 10th one. By 9 into minus 15 by 2 plus 7 by 3 into 8 by 5 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. Again, wherever simplifications are possible, let's do it. And here 3 3s are 3 5s are 15. Now here no cancellations are possible. Here also no cancellations are possible. So 13 5s are 65. Plus into minus is minus, 3 2s are 6. Next, plus 7 8s are 56, 3 5s are 15. Next, 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10. So we look into the LCM of 6, 15 and 10. The LCM of 6, 15 and 10 is 30. 6 5s are 30, 65 into 5. 65 into 5 is 5 5s are 25. 5, 2, 6 5s are 30, 32. So that is 325. Next, 15 2s are 30, 56 2s. 56 2s is 112. 10 3s are 30, 3 3s are 9. So, now 112 and 9 both are of same signs. You'll add them. Minus 325 plus this is 121 by 30. Now these are of different signs, so you will subtract. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, by 30. The biggest number is 325, sign is minus, so you keep a minus sign. So that is the case. Again, both of them they can be cancelled in two tables. 2 15s are 2 10s are 2 2s are. So the final way it is 1 minus 102 by 5. So I repeat it once again. See, we have 13 by 9 into minus 15 by 2. So here cancellations are possible. 9 goes in 3 tables, so as 15. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. That is what I have cancelled here. And 13 5s are 65. 3 2s are 6. Now here cancellations are not possible. 7 8s are 56. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 5 2s are 10. So that is what I have done. LCM of 6, 15 and 10 say is 30. Now 6 5s are 30 and 65 5s. 5 5s are 25, 2, 6 5s 30, 3 25. 15 2s are 30, 56 2s 112, 6 2s are 12, 2 1 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 11. So this is what you get. 10 3s are 30, 3 3s are 9. 112 plus 9, 112 plus 9 gives you 121. That is what I have written. Now these are of different signs, so you will subtract, and the biggest number is 325. Sign is minus, so you will keep a minus sign, and finally this is 6. So that is it with respect to the 10th one. Now let's move on to the 12th one. So we are supposed to find out m plus n divided by m minus n. So this is what you are supposed to find out. Now m is given as 2 by 3, n is given as 3 by 2. Now what you do is you find out m plus n, m minus n, then divide both of them. First we will find out m plus n. m plus n is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So LCM of 3 and 2, LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Now 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9 is 13. So that this is 13 by 6. Now we go with m minus n. m minus n, 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. And different signs you have to subtract them, you will get 5. Biggest number is 9, sign is minus, so minus 5 by 6. Now the aim is to find out m plus n by m minus n. So m plus n is 13 by 6 by m minus n is minus 5 by 6. Now this is 13 by 6, this division convert it into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the denominator. So 6 by minus 5, 6 they gets cancelled, this is minus 13 by 5. So that is the way to go about. Now similar case is the second one, which I am not discussing, which you will be doing by your own. Now I will be moving on to the third one, with that we will conclude. So look into the third one. So we have m is equal to 5 by 4, n is equal to minus 1 by 3. So calculate m plus n, that is 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 3. Now plus into minus is minus. So 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So take the LCM of 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 1 4s are 4. So this is 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. So this is 11 by 12. Now we calculate m minus n. Similar case again, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Minus into minus is plus. So this is 5 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 1 4s are 4. So this is 15 plus 4 is 19, 19 by 12. So we have m plus n, we have m minus n. So we divided m plus n by m minus n. M plus n is 11 by 12. M minus n is 19 by 12. So now convert the division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the denominator. 12 by 19. So they get cancelled 1 time. 11 into 1 is 11. 1 into 19 is 9. So that is it. So that is it with regards to the worksheet. Though I have not discussed the second one in 12th Roman, that is as similar to the first one. So which you will do by yourself. So that is it.